So I want to tell you about the SpeedGrader, and it's a great function to help you evaluate your students and give feedback. And the example I'm going to give you today is the discussion board, my introductory discussion board. And I set the grading of the discussion board. If you scroll down, let's go to edit quickly. So my discussion board is set to it's got points associated with it, but it is set to complete, incomplete rather than actual points. So you can change this here, so you can do points or percentage, but I just do my discussion point to complete, incomplete for 10 points. And you can do the review students so that other students give feedback to them as well. And now they actually have a new function here. We can assign the reviews at a different date, and then the final submission is due then. That's a little bit confusing still. But anyway, so let's go and find our SpeedGrader. Let's close up our toolbar and let's go. Not edited, but you are in the view function of your discussion board, and then you click the three dots here and then say go to SpeedGrader, open in SpeedGrader. And then you see each individual students. Here you can select your students. The ones with the dot have already submitted it, and you can select them, and you can see their response and then also feedback from other students. So to grade it, you can do complete, incomplete, and then it would give you the full points you submitted. You can also give oral feedback. Say, let's say report. Hey, great to, hold on, allow microphone. Hello? All right, so great to meet you. I'm really glad that you're in the class, and thanks for sharing your personal insights. I look forward to working with you this semester. Submit. So it's really easy. It's much easier than typing, for me at least. So you can do the oral, you can do a little video if you want, you can do an attachment. Oh, hold on, you can't see that. Down here you can see you can do an attachment. If you want to give some longer feedback, you can record a short video. And this was just a voice message here, what I just clicked, and then I recorded, and it's as a comment. The other thing what I want to point out is you have the discussion comment library. So again, if you hold on, you can't see that. Yeah, let's go back here. So if you're in your discussions in your SpeedGrader, and you can click on this little call out button here, and you can store different comments. For example, needs a bit more work, but overall pretty good. Right? So you can add your comments to the library. And then next time when you're grading all your students, you can just open your library and insert the comment. So lots of different ways it helps you to save time and be a very good instructor that gives feedback, timely feedback to your students. Okay, again, make sure you submit what you said, and then it's gonna go automatically into your gradebook. Okay, so SpeedGrader is pretty cool. It has a lot of functions. They're still enhancing functions. They will integrate AI for auto grading in the near future, so stay tuned for that. But otherwise, this is the SpeedGrade function for the discussion board, and similar for the quizzes and assignments as well.